Bombardier to partner Airbus on C-Series jets. European aerospace firm Airbus is to take a majority stake in Bombardier's C-Series jet project. Bombardier has faced a series of problems over the plane, most recently a trade dispute in the US that imposed a 300% import tariff. Bombardier's Northern Ireland's director Michael Ryan said the deal was great news for the Belfast operation. About 1,000 staff work on the C-Series at a purpose-built factory in Belfast, mostly making the plane's wings. Airbus and Bombardier's chief executive said the deal, which will see Airbus buy a 50.01% stake, would help to boost sales. Why is Bombardier important to Northern Ireland? Government should follow Canada on Bombardier. BBC Northern Ireland's business and economics editor John Campbell said Airbus had effectively taken control of the C-Series project in a transformational deal. He said it would use its financial muscle in procurement and sales, while Bombardier's manufacturing operation